as you know, Salesforce is a cloud platform, so you don't need to install any software or anything to run the loyalty management. So if you purchase a license, Salesforce will give you the loyalty management setup in your org so that you can run a loyalty management and then engage with your customers. So Dinesh, if you want to add any points, you can stop in and there.
Yeah, Prashant. Yeah. So yeah, the loyalty management is simply, would be more useful for the industries like the hospitality and manufacturing, and even like in the airlines also, the loyalty programs are there. So if the particular business is already using Salesforce CRM, or they're using like some sales cloud marketing or service, and this would be a right thing, and they can able to integrate it, and they can easily able to manage the loyalty program. So I think that's it. Yeah, please go ahead,
Yes, sir.
Prashant.
So as I said, loyalty management built on Salesforce platform. So you don't need to install any of the third-party system or third-party app in install or integrate with the Salesforce to get the loyalty management solution into your Salesforce. So this is the customer loyalty lifecycle. So you are running a business and you will get more customers into your business. So first you will go and talk to your customers, and they will come and they will negotiate with your products, and they will buy your products, and then they will become a lifelong customer to you. So after you are giving so many rewards or vouchers to their to that customer will refer so many friends or so many family friends, so that they will also become your customers. So this is the part of customer loyalty life cycle. So at the end of the day, you need to retain the existing customer, and also you need to gain more customers with the help of the existing customers. So this is the key features of Salesforce Loyalty Management, which Salesforce gives us. So uh, as part of loyalty management, the first thing is programming setup. So what type of program you are going to run in a loyalty management to keep your customers engaging? Then loyalty member engagement. Who are all the customers they are going to participate in that program? So then rule engine. Rule engine means you will have a business, and you will have a customers, and you will decide uh, how many rewards or what are all the credit points, what are all the vouchers you will be providing it to the customers based on the activities of that loyalty program. So the customers will be actively participating inside your program. So based on the activities, you will be rewarding to the customer. So that is called a rule engine. So tier benefits means initially the customer will be uh, registered into your program. So after some of the activities, and when I say some of the activities means the customer will actively participate in the program, so that you will give more rewards to that customer. So they will become from silver tier to gold tier, and then to platinum tier. So initially the customer will be on the tier 1. So in general, then they will move to tier 2, and then they will move to tier 3 based on the activities. So multi-channel interaction means uh, and the customer will run through the program in phone as well as in the laptop as well as in the email also. In multi-channel, you can run the Salesforce loyalty management.
Yes. So for example, yeah. Uh, okay, cool. So for example, let's say your business is running in like a Shopify or WooCommerce, and or like even the Commerce Cloud. So if it's a Commerce Cloud, like it is a very much easy to integrate, and like where you can run all the loyalty program for your customers, existing customers. So let's say if it is running in Shopify or in WooCommerce, so it needs an additional layer of integration, like where you can able to manage, you have to set up the B2B integration, then all your customer data will be coming to the Sales Cloud. So then based upon the customer purchase or the customer segmentation, you can define how you want to segment, and you can able to personalize the emails, and you can able to send it. So in order to send it, you have to define your loyalty management program. Let's say you want to define it as a standard, premium, and whatever the classification that you want to do, you can able to do. Then based upon that, you can easily able to run the the program setup, and you can able to send out a drip campaign to capture the particular the customers who can like ready to enroll into your loyalty program. And based on that, like you can able to offer like the tier benefits, and like it's a kind of automation like that we are trying to explain over here, and how you can able to define the tier and all. So we are going to show them in the demo. So again, like once you have everything in place and based on the order, so we can able to do the multi-channel interaction as well. So multi-channel is nothing but like even like if the customer is using the marketing cloud or any of the tool, so they can able to do they can able to send the personalized email based upon their purchase history. So which is again how many the reward points that they want. Yeah, Prashant, over to
Yes.
you. Yeah.
So real-time tracking and engagement. So Salesforce gives us the license, right? So when you purchase the license, all the activities which Dinesh mentioned will be done in a real time. You can do without license also, but you need to schedule the process at the back end. So like you need to run the all the process at the end of the each day, or every 1 hour or every 2 hours. We can do that as well. But if you have the license in place, all the process will happen in a real time. So integration with Service Cloud. So you can integrate the Salesforce loyalty with the Service Cloud, Sales Cloud, Marketing Cloud, and whatever the cloud you have. So with the help of Service Cloud, the customers will ask you the question, or customer will raise a request that how many points I have, how many what is the tire point I currently in, and how many orders I have purchased through this program and all. So they will raise a case, and the service agent will go into the case, and they will see the information and then help with the customer's request. So with the AI bot also, the customer can get the information through the AI bot. So they don't
Yes.
need to create a case and all. So that wait for the service agent to take it upon and close the case.
Exactly. So recently, in the Dreamforce, Salesforce launched Agentforce, and which is going to be generally available in like 3 to 4 months. So even like once you have these all the loyalty management and all your data, so again like you can able to like let's say the customer is trying to contact your store, and you can able to integrate with the Agentforce, and you can automate like a lot of things. Let's say based upon his let's say I will give you one simple example. Let's say the customer want to the replace I mean like the shirt that he bought. Okay, so the next one like what he is looking for is like he can talk over the phone, and he can look for some additional I mean other option. So let's say like the one that he bought is like having like a $300, but the one that he selected is a $350. So let's say he can even communicate with the I mean AI agent, and let's say he can talk that like say that like okay, you have the loyalty, I have the loyalty points, like which is a reward points, and check like if you can able to match with the particular amount. So even the AI can easily able to tally that particular amount, and if the reward points is available, and easily it can be he can able to get the exchange done over the agent AI agent without going for a manual intervention over here. Yeah.
So integration with the Sales Cloud. So you have a customer already, they have purchased your product. So then you are running a program, and the customer is also engaging in that program. Based on the customer tracking, uh, uh, the service agent can speak to the customer to buy other products also. So if the customer engaged more in the loyalty program, means the customer can able to buy more products, so that the sales agent can speak to that customer according to that.
Yes. So actually, the opportunity in choice is nothing but like based upon let's say one customer is a repetitive customer who is keep on coming for every month or like every 2 weeks. So in that case, if he keeps on coming, it like like you can easily able to based upon the data that is available on the deal, you can personalize the content, and you can able to send some reward points. Let's say he's a repetitive customer, like click here to claim your 50 reward points based upon your purchase history. Yeah, that's what the things we can do with the Sales Cloud.
Yes. So the benefits of Salesforce Loyalty Management. So 360 view of customers. So all the data of the customer who engaged in the loyalty program will be viewed inside the Salesforce itself. So you don't need to integrate with the Tableau or any other outside system to view the customer data. Everything will be placed inside the Salesforce. So immediate points and rewards allocation means if you have a license means all the points and everything will be done in a real time. So scheduled communications, you can, based on the customer's engagement, you can send an email notification to the customers also. If the customer is not actively participating in the loyalty program, means you can send a personalized email to them stating that you can earn more points by actively participating in this loyalty program.
Yeah.
So first, yeah, tell me.
Yes, I
Yeah,
think can we go ahead with our demo?
yes, sir. So let me show you the existing customer who are actively participating in this program. So actually, we have a NTO Insider program. We created a NTO Insider program. So Arun Kumar is one of the customer who actively engaging in this loyalty program. So this is his profile. So he has gained 964 tire points. Tire points means, as I said before, uh, once the customer initially registered into the program, means he will be in silver tire and then goes to gold and then goes to the platinum according to the activities of the customer. So he has gained 964 reward points also. So and also he has gained 3 vouchers. This is the profile. And if you go to the recent activities, means these are the orders which that Arun has done inside the program. So let me show you the same profile in the Salesforce also. So you can see the Arun Kumar is in gold tier and he has gained 964 reward points and 964 tire points also. And you can see here 3 vouchers has been assigned to the issued to the Arun Kumar. So everything will be placed inside the Salesforce.
Yeah.
So yeah, tell me, yeah, go over this, Dennis.
Yeah. So right now, like whatever you have seen is like the Commerce Cloud, which is B2C, so where the customers can able to order their product and they can simply able to log in. Can I please go to the order page? Yeah. So what you see here, you can able to see like how this particular customer the recent activities, which is a purchase history, and how the points are being shown over here. So it's basically like how he's accumulating in the points. So as in the Salesforce B2B, you can able to configure the program, the loyalty program and the tier benefits. So let's say if he bought like any particular, you can define the pattern. Like if he bought like about like $1,000, he spent $1,000, or like within a month or within a quarter, he's spending like $3,000. And if you want to award the reward points, you can automate them using the automation, so like which is available in the Salesforce. Yeah.
Okay. So now let me show you the real demo. So I have created a campaign to let know my customers that I am running a program so that you can gain more rewards. So this is the campaign which I have created. So I'm going to add my contact. So you can send to multiple contacts, but for time constraint, I'm going to send to this contact alone. So I have created an email template so that this customer will let you know that I am running a program. So here is a link to register for that customer to to register to into the program that I am running. So I'm going to register for that program. So before registering to that program, there will be no details in that customer profile. So you can see no reward points, no tire points and all. So now I'm going to register. So once I hit enroll, this customer will be registered to the NTO inside the program. So now you can see reward points is 0, tire points is 0, and currently he is in silver tire. So let me show you the same in Salesforce also. So you can see this customer is registered to the NTO inside the program. And you can see no voucher has been issued, and he is in silver tire, and both the points are in 0 now. So let me proceed to purchase an order. So I'm going to buy this shirt. So if you have an points, you can redeem the points. So as we don't have points currently, we need to pay. So I'm going to place this order. So as I said before, if you have a license, all the things will happen in a real time. But for now, we don't have a license. We will be scheduling a process at the backend to happen the things. So let me schedule that. So let me know the exact timing so that I can schedule it. So I'm going to schedule in another 1 minute. So in another 1 minute, the process will be called, and then the points will be awarded to the customer who has purchased inside the program. So let us wait for 1 more minute. So as you can see, the tire points he has earned is 215, and the reward points also 215. So for the first purchase, we are issuing an voucher, first buy, first refer. And the customer can reuse the vouchers as well as they can reuse the reward points also. The tire points is only for upgrading their tire. They cannot reuse this tire point for their next purchase and all. So let me show you the same in the Salesforce also. So as you can see, one voucher has been issued to this customer, and also the points 215 points and 215 tire points also has been awarded to this customer. So Dinesh, do you want to add in points?
Yeah. So yeah. So there was a delay because the Prashant was already mentioned. So based on the license, there are, if you have the license, additional license that you has bought, like it can be real time, or else like we has to do automate from our end using the flows. But right now, like we has automated the process rule run to add the reward points in a schedule flow. So that's why you notice that like there is some delay. Any
Yeah.
questions? Please go ahead, Prashant.
Yeah. So So for this demo purpose, we are issuing voucher to the customer for their first purchase, third purchase, and their fifth purchase. So let me show you the other purchases also. I mean, let me do some more purchases. So I'm going to schedule it again. So now you can see river points and air points have been increased because the customer has made 2 purchases. Now I'm going to make one more purchase. So here you can see river points is 645 and tire points is 645. And you can see one more voucher has been added, triple treat voucher. Because for every third purchase, we are giving an voucher to the customer. So let me make another, let me show you how to redeem the points. So totally you have 645 points you can use for your next purchase. So I'm going to use 50 points. So this is also configurable. So you can define how many dollars to be debited for a single points. So as of now, we have configured like $0.2 for each points. So 50 points means $10 will be debited. So you can see 50 points we have reused in the last purchase. So 50 points have been debited. And also you can see your tire has been upgraded to gold. So now let me show you the reports and dashboards which we have created, because the campaign manager or company CEO might be able to see how many campaigns have been you have run and how many customers you have been gained through that program and how many orders the customers have been purchased, placed in, and how many revenue you have generated through this campaign and all. So this is one of the dashboard which we created. So orders by customer. So this dashboard tells you the topmost customers inside the program. So topmost customer by today. So 8 purchases made by Arun Kumar and 5 purchases made by September 25 and 2 purchases made by Sun Savings. So these are the least purchased customers. So let me refresh it once again. Yeah. Topmost customer means La Confianza customer made 4 orders today, and none other made any purchases. And least, I think this is showing an incorrect one. So let's move to the other one. So this is the amount by which the campaign has got the revenue by this customer. So totally $859 dollars has been received by this customer. Let me show you the other dashboard. So totally 4 orders have been made today and the total amount. So total amount gained by those 4 orders. So then
Yeah, Prashant. So the dashboard and the reports will be showing the metrics about like how the campaign performed and your loyalty management program is running, and you can able to generate like more revenue. So the Salesforce dashboard report will give you the clear picture about like is it really your loyalty program? Which type of the program that you're running is really making the good revenue out of it. So you can easily able to measure it using the dashboards. Yeah. So Prashant, do you want to add any other points?
I think no, Dinesh. I think we are good.
Okay, thanks. So like we have used like all the products from Salesforce. Right now, we have used the Commerce Cloud for the B2C, and for the B2B, we have used the loyalty management with B2B Commerce Cloud integration. So that's where you can able to define everything like the loyalty management setup and the program tiers and all the benefits you can able to define it over there. And even you can also able to integrate with the marketing cloud. I think Prashant, do you want to explain how it can be helpful to the marketing cloud too?
Yes, so Dinesh. So inside the Salesforce, you are creating a campaign and you can send to minimal customers alone to send an email. But with the use of marketing campaign, you can send 10,000, 20,000 emails per day. But inside Salesforce, you can send only 5,000 emails per day. So that is
Yeah.
how marketing cloud comes in place for you.
Yes. So basically, you can able to sync the your actual data based upon you have the program tiers, right? So all the contacts you can able to sync it down to the the marketing cloud through the connector. So then again from there you can able to run the campaign. Let's say the personalized campaign or like even the multi-channel engagement also you can do. Reaching out to the customer via the SMS or even reaching out to them via the WhatsApp, and you can do the cold email campaign also. So which again adds one more touch back to the marketing. And again, like it's you can able to control the full cycle of the customer, even the customer 360-degree, the data you can able to have it. And again, you can do the marketing, sales, service, and again you can repeat the whole process. That's how it can be more helpful to your business. I think that's it from our end. Any questions? Hashnil, Soham, or Satish, do you guys have any questions, or are we good?
No, nothing in particular. This is pretty straightforward as far as how loyalty management piece and things like that work. Makes sense.
Okay, thanks, Ash. Okay. Okay. Thank you everyone for joining our call. If you have any questions, you can reply to us. Yeah. You can reach out to us in the LinkedIn also. Thank you. Thanks, team.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Yeah, thanks, Ash. Thanks,
Yeah.
Satish.